Everyone, so some basic concepts of chemistry में जैसे कि पहले already we have discussed that concentration of solution. So last time we have calculated that mass percentage by weight. So here we are going to start the numericals on the molarity. For that one you should know which terms and what is the formula for that molarity. So with this first example we will solve, but previously what we have seen that we'll discuss. See, molarity, which is denoted by symbol capital M, and in that we have seen that molarity is equal to number of moles of solute divided by volume of solution. That volume should be in a liter. If it is not in liter, then we have to multiply with the 1000 here only. Okay, so this is the simple formula. If we consider unit of this molarity, unit is moles per liter. This is the simple unit of this molarity. Now simply we'll start with this molarity first numerical. Now see, what is the first numerical? That first problem is if 5.85, okay, whenever we are getting the values we'll note down it. 5.85 gram of NaCl. So previously as we have discussed, when solute is dissolved in a solvent, it gives the solution. So firstly we should know that which one is a solute and which one is a solvent. Now see here, 5.85 gram of NaCl is dissolved in, means this is dissolved in the water. So this is dissolved in this, means solute is the NaCl and solvent is the water. Okay, and now we are getting the solution that is of the NaCl. So 5.85 gram of NaCl, this is the mass of solute. So firstly we will write that given data, because identification of that given content is very important. So given data is mass of solute. That mass of solute is 5.85. What is that mass? That solute is the NaCl. Okay, 5.85 gram dissolved in water, and solution is made up to 0.5 liter, means volume of solution is 0.5 liter. So here we will write that volume of solution is equal to 0.5 liter. Now see here, that volume is given in a liter, so no need to change the formula. So these are the two terms which are given to us. Now see, what is the formula? Molarity is equal to, अभी देखो यहाँ पे number of moles is not given, that's why we have to calculate that number of moles of NaCl. So number of moles of NaCl, for that one I am using the symbol Na. A for the solute. So Na is equal to mass of solute divided by molar mass of solute. Now see here, only mass of solute means mass of NaCl is given, but molar mass of NaCl is not given. So if we consider molar mass means MnACl, means molar mass of NaCl, how to calculate it? For sodium Na plus chlorine Cl. Why I have written like that? Because in this which elements are there, that we are writing here. One is sodium and second one is a chlorine, and only one chlorine, one sodium is there, that's why no need to multiply by anything. So now see here, for sodium it is 23, for chlorine it is 35.5. So finally we are getting the molar mass of NaCl, that is the 58.5. So Na is equal to Wa is 5.85 divided by molar mass is 58.5. Now see here, if I am shifting one decimal, that will become like that, 58.5 divided by 585. Now see, I want to shift that decimal also to the right hand side. At that time when we are shifting one decimal here, if decimal is not there to the downside, at that time we have to add the 0. So Na is equal to 585 divided by 5850. Clear to everyone? Now see here, 1 by 10 is the answer, and 1 by 10 is nothing but the 0.1. So number of moles of solute, that is the 0.1. अभी देखते हैं यहाँ पे formula is Na divided by volume of solution in liter. Simple, we have to put these values in this problem. What is the first value? That is the 0.1. So 0.1 divided by volume of solution is 0.5. यहाँ पे दिया है ना 0.5 लीटर, दैट इज ओनली. सो नाउ सी 1 decimal we are shifting here. So molarity of this solution is 50 and here 5 2s are 10. So this is the molarity of the solution. What is the unit? Unit is mole per liter. So here we have completed our first example. Now we'll discuss second example. This is the second example. What is that example? See, if 0.435 gram of camenophore. So here mass is given. Whose mass? Camenophore. Okay. That camenophore is dissolved in water. Enough or excess quantity. That is, doesn't matter, but it is dissolved in a water. Means camenophore is a solute and that water is a solvent. After addition, what happened? That 250 ml of solution is prepared. Means when camenophore is added into the water, it gives solution. Okay, for that one what they have given, 0.435 that much gram of camenophore is dissolved in a enough quantity of water which gives 250 ml of the solution. ठीक है, यहाँ से क्या क्या मिल जाता है देखो, given content. If we write the given data, in that we can say that mass of camenophore is the solute. So mass of solute is equal to 0.435 gram is there. Okay, now see, next one is that volume of solution is also given. Volume of solution is equal to 250 ml. See, in a first problem that volume was in a liter, but here now they have given in the ml. So we have to change the formula also. So mass of solute is completed, volume of solution is also completed. Now see, in that formula number of moles of solute is required. For that number of moles of solute we are writing the symbol, that is the Na. Na is equal to Wa divided by Ma. We are having Wa but we don't have the Ma. So we can calculate it but we don't have in a given content. Now see how to find out that Ma. So see here, if we consider that molar mass, what we have to find out? Molar mass of camenophore. For that one we should know the mass number of each element. So see, firstly who is there? Potassium. After that Mn is there, and after that oxygen is there, but K and Mn means potassium and manganese both are 1 1, but oxygen is 4. So 4 into oxygen, it is not 0, it is O for the oxygen. Potassium, its mass number is 39. For manganese it is 55 plus 4 into, for oxygen mass number is 16. So in this way 39 plus 55 plus 64, it gives answer, that is the 58, 158. So यहाँ पे हमने find out किया है molar mass of the camenophore, that is the mass of solute. Molar mass of solute is also. So just we will put this value 435 divided by Ma. What is that? 158. So simply if we shift this decimal to the right hand side, what will happen? That will, or we can put this value in the formula directly also. Okay, so see, firstly we calculated, now we'll put this value as it is in the formula. Molarity, what is the formula? Molarity is equal to number of moles into 1000. Why I am taking here 1000? Because volume is given in the ml divided by volume of solution. If we put all this value here, then we will get the equation like that. M 0.435 into 1000 divided by, what is that next one? Ma is 158 into volume of solution is 250. Clear to everyone? If we consider this calculation part, in that this 1000 if we multiplying to this one, it gives 435 divided by 158 into 250. Simply, now see, if we consider this calculation here, after calculation you will get the answer. So here we have completed our second example. Hope so you will calculate this and you will get the idea about the molarity of this question. So यहाँ पे सेकेंड एग्जाम्पल तो खत्म होगा और एक एग्जाम्पल लेंगे थर्ड वाला. So see, what is that problem? How many grams? Means here we have to find out. Previously in two examples they have given the that much quantity of solute is dissolved in a solvent, but here they ask how many grams of sodium sulfate is required to make 2.6 liter. Keep in mind that if ml, liter, centimeter cube, decimeter cube is there, then this is related to the volume. So here also this is the volume of the solution, and 0.7 m, this is the molarity of the solution. What the question is that how many grams of sodium sulfate is required, means here we have to find out the mass of solute. So before to find out that mass of solute, we will use that formula of the molarity only, but in the different form. See, mass of solute we have to find out. Volume of solution, it is given, that is 2.6 liter. Molarity of the solution, that is also given. What is that? Molarity is 0.7 molar. Now if we find out the molar mass, after that it is easy to find out the mass of solute. So see how to find out the molar mass of sodium sulfate. Molar mass of sodium sulfate. What is the symbol for that sodium sulfate, or formula, molecular formula? Sodium, it is Na, sulfate, it is SO4. As we know that SO4 carries -2 charge, sodium carries +1 charge. To write the formula, just we are considering these numbers, not sign. Just we are going to consider the numbers and just cross multiplication. In this way we can write the formula, that is Na. Na is multiplied by 2, so Na2SO4. अब ये formula तो मिल गया. It is easy to find out the its molar mass also. Now see, 2 into sodium plus SO4 is not a 1, in that sulfur and oxygen 2 elements are there. So sulfur, it is only 1, plus oxygen 4 are there. So see, 2 into 23, mass number of the sodium is 23. For sulfur it is 32 plus 4 into oxygen it is 16. So 23 2s are 46 plus 32 plus 16 4s are 64. So here 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 2 12, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, means here molar mass of sodium sulfate is 142. So here we are writing that 142. अभी यहाँ पे तो वैल्यूज मिल गए, अभी क्या करना है, फॉर्मूला में हमें वैल्यूज डालना है. नाउ सी व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला और हाउ टू मॉडिफाई दैट फॉर्मूला आल्सो. सी, molarity is equal to, as we have taken previously, Na means number of moles of solute, but instead of that just we are segregating that, that is the Wa divided by Ma into volume of solution. If that volume of solution is given in the ml, then we have to multiply with the 1000. Now see here, that volume is given in the liter, so no need to multiply by the 1000. So simply see here, Wa that we have to find out. So Ma is means molarity is 0.7. Wa that will remain as it is. Ma is 142 into volume of solution is 2.6 liters. So 2.6. Now see, Wa we want to find out, so we will keep it at the one side, just that divided terms will get multiplied with that 0.7. So Wa is equal to 0.7 into 142 into 2.6. So after calculation of this, you will get how much quantity of that solute is required, and its unit will be gram. अगर आपको समझ में आ गया हो तो प्लीज़ इसका आंसर कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना मत भूलिए. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू.